Hi, this is Tommaso from Tecnista, and today I'm going to show you the Sharpie DX from ArcZone, a head for sharpening, the Tungsten Electrodes for TIG Welding. Today I'm very excited because this is my first video in English, so if you don't understand something, please comment down below and smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. It would mean a lot to us. First thing to say, this is sold separately to the rotary tool, and that's because some of you may have another rotary tool different from this, which is compatible with the head. So if you have a rotary tool which has a thread 3/4 inches of diameter for 12 threads per inch, you are absolutely compatible with the Sharpie DX. This is the Milwaukee rotary tool M12C12 RT. I know that there is also Bosch and Dremel who produce a rotary tool which is compatible, but there are plenty of others, as I said. Obviously, with the whole package, you will receive the instructions together with the installation guide, which is very simple. Also, you will receive a package with the Pro kit, which is different than the normal kit, which is sold only with the head and the instructions and some tools needed for installation. The Pro kit presents like this, and it is composed by the ArcZone Arc Saber pack for containing the tungsten electrodes, together with a piece of wood which is needed to capture the humidity of the electrode. Oh, this is also magnetic, so it's very useful. Then you receive the instructions for all the materials that you may weld, together with some measurement for the electrodes and the rods that you need to use depending on the thickness of the material. So these are the tools needed for assembly. This is the collet for 1.0 tungsten diameters, plus the extra diamond grinding wheel. So you will receive two of them. One is already in here and the second one is here. The Sharpie DX itself already has got the collet here and here. Depending on the diameter you need, it has the 1.6 millimeters, 2.4 millimeters, and 3.2 millimeters. If you take the Pro kit, I will repeat myself, you will get also the 1.0 diameter. And you can put them in these spaces which are needed in order not to lose them. Okay, so first of all, you may have to change your velocity. I put it from 2 to 3 because I saw it's already very good. And let's turn this thing on. So as you can see, the diamond wheel is here and it goes horizontally. You can also see it on this window, and I will start from this, even though you want this thing for sharpening your tip, but you can also remove the contamination from your tip. And I have a perfect example of this. I used to weld aluminum with this one, and from here I cannot insert it because even though this is a 2.4 diameter electrode, it's not 2.4 in this point. So I need to remove this part. How do I do it? Simply from here. As you can see, I'm just removing the parts that are not needed in order to let it go inside in the collet very smoothly, like this. And now, let's see how it goes. Now I'm sharpening the tip, but if I may give you a suggestion, it would be better to take it out sometimes, just to let the diamond wheel to cool down a bit from the warmth that it can take by doing this job. Here it is. You know, the amazing thing is that since the grinding wheel is going from right to the left, in this case, all the abrasive lines of the grinding wheel are going in this direction, exactly from the tungsten itself to the tip. What if you want to have a thicker arc? Well, you just need to flat your tip, which you can do by putting your tungsten in one of these spaces. Of course, each one of them is of the diameter required, so I'm going to put it in here, which is the 2.4. Here it is. So let's pretend this is all ruined and you cannot sharpen it. How do we do that? Well, we can just cut it off by putting the tungsten in here and doing the same as before. Here it is. And finally, I told you that we can change the angle of your sharpening. So if you take the tool, which is already included in the package, you can just turn this to the left, and then by using another tool, you can change the direction of your collet. So in this way, you change the angle of your tip. And then you turn this to the right again. Even though the grinding wheel is a diamond one, so it's supposed to last a very long time, but you can use it on the other side as well, and this gives you double the time to use your wheel. And also, if you want, we have the replacement wheels in our website together with this fantastic object on Tecnista.eu. We are sole distributors of Arc Zone in the whole Europe. So if you want to have some information regarding this and other Arc Zone products, please contact us. The email and WhatsApp are here down below, and so I have nothing more to add. If you want some more information, please contact us, and until the next video, ciao!